talk about this fact that some husband, some wives trust their siblings, brothers or sisters more than their partner, more than their husband, more than their wives. Tell me why your husband or wife should not have access to your bank account or your bank app. Mhm. Tell me why your husband or your wife should not know your PIN to your debit card. So many men have properties that their wife are not aware about. It is their siblings, their brothers that are aware of the properties. Now you don't trust your wife with your properties, you don't trust your wife with your money, but you trust your wife with the food she cook for you. You're eating her food. Husband man, I love you in my language, Ikore language, because even like say you won't put your children to suffer. You feel your brothers are the best, your siblings are the best persons to know about your properties, to know about everything. You're hiding it from your wife. I get it. I understand. I see what you're doing. But by the time life happens to you, you'll understand